Hello and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So first of all, guys, I want to say that I'm so happy about the deal of the day with the Euro AUD. The market has reversed exactly from the buy level at 1.69563 and went straight to the take profit level under only 1 hour, which is really fantastic. And the market has made, this deal actually has made 83 pips of profit. Not only once, but even twice. Even on the second attempt of it, the market shot again to the take profit level and exceeded in total of 152 pips. Let me know, guys, what do you think about this deal of the day? And by the way, guys, I have noticed that the views for the deal of the day is very few, and therefore please let me know if you want the deal of the day videos to continue or not, because I noticed that there is less interest in this kind of videos. The more interest actually is on the weekly analysis videos. But by the way, I want to highlight also that in the free group of Telegram, we are sending here the updates telling that the signal for the Euro AUD has been activated, currently running in 35 pips. Keep your trade on. The market seems strong bullish now. So that's the reason I'm telling you guys, you have to join the free group of Telegram to receive these kinds of notifications, to receive the updates about any signals that you are seeing in YouTube. So therefore, you can find the link to join this group provided in the description below of this video or in the first comment pinned under this video. So, as you can see also, not only the deal of the day did very well, but even our signals from YouTube as well, EURUSD, GBPUSD, and all of the signals were actually going in a very deep and good profit. Check out now the EURUSD. So as you can see, even the EURUSD signal worked fantastically well and now running in about almost 40 pips of profit. How cool is that? Guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and please share the video. I believe this channel is not receiving the recognition it deserves. I think with these signals and results, we deserve much more views, and I feel like it's just really injustice what's happening here. This signal indeed really deserves more than that. Anyway, let's now see what we can do next with the Euro USD. Actually, guys, for the midweek analysis, we are still going to short the Euro USD. If we go to the 30-minute time frame right now, what we can see right here is that the market has indeed... Oh, wait a minute. Where is my tool? And there it is. So, of course, this is the tool called Epic Pen, the one I'm using to draw on this screen. And I placed it here, of course, on the second screen that I have. Anyway, now the Euro USD has indeed reversed from the given price for the sell at 1.07378, going in total of 40 pips. Now what we can do next is actually we can wait for the market to retest again the same level of a resistance trend line as you can see right here, and most likely, guys, that level of a resistance trend line is most likely gonna be respected. Pay attention, the market has formed number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 attempts of a resistance trend line, and each time it really worked and the market just kept falling down. However, on the same level, we can see now a new support trend line has been formed, but only for very few pips, and then the market instantly broke out from that level. Indicates that this level right here is much stronger as a resistance trend line. Therefore, let's wait for the Euro USD to rise again to respect the same level of a resistance trend line, and from there we can continue selling the market, expecting from it to reach the same take profit level. That means that we can actually sell the Euro USD exactly at that level of a previous resistance right here at 1.07114. Let me just write it for you. Resell at 1.07114. And of course, keep the same zone, and the take profit level is just gonna remain the same, meaning we are actually expecting to make approximately 53 pips. And by the way, guys, if the signal reach the take profit level, I'm going to release another late week analysis video where we can discuss actually what will happen next. And of course, for the safe zone, it can be ranging till the entry, little bit higher than the entry. It's really up to you guys. I cannot really go any deeper than that. That's everything for the Euro USD. Let's now move to the Pound USD. Alright, so the Pound USD was one of the signals that actually failed, as you can see, but however, it indeed was going in a good profit for about a total of 38 pips before unfortunately reverses and exceeds the safe zone. So now what we can expect next with the Pound USD. In my opinion, the pound USD will still continue the fall for a short time. Let me just now delete the old signal. And let's see now what we can do next. The pound USD, guys, is going to continue the fall till it reach that level of a previous support right here at 1.23727. And from that point, I think we can safely start buying the pound USD. Let's just now move to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, we can notice right here exactly that this level, indeed right here at 1.23672, was indeed the lowest level of the previous support. It was, of course, a real level of the support. And right now we can see that the pound USD is actually going to approach that level. Now we have to mention right here that we're having here number 1, 2, 3 real attempts of a support. Then right here we are having a fake breakout. A fake breakout, it means that right after it, the market is going to create another real attempt of a support on the same level of the previous real supports. That being said, let's wait to buy the pound USD exactly from that level. And if I'm not mistaken also, this was, I think, Fibonacci 50. Fibonacci 50, I think, or 61. I think 50. Let me check. Little bit. No, not even 50. It is actually a little bit lower than 38.2. So let's just wait for the market to fall to that level, then we can start buying the pound USD. And the target for the remaining days of this week is gonna be right here till the highest level of a real resistance right there at 1.24720, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than this level of a real support. That means that we can actually expect to make 104 pips of profit against 47 pips of a safe zone. That's everything for the pound USD. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. Guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I mean, this really is a big thing here. Almost all of the signals worked so well. And again, I'm highlighting the deal of the day with the Euro AUD. Now, of course, I have to stop doing this. I mean, I'm bragging about myself too much. It's just, guys, that I really feel that this channel deserves more. That's all. Anyway, moving now to the daily chart. Actually, guys, what we can do right here is absolutely nothing. AUDUSD signal is going to remain the same. The market seems to be a very strong bearish at the moment. And right here, we can see that the market is falling upon the pressure from that previous level of a resistance. Therefore, all what we can do right here is just simply wait for the AUDUSD to reach that level of a previous resistance. Let me just show it to you. Exactly right there. That's actually even right there. It's just like 10 pips far away from the original entry. We can actually resell again the AUDUSD at that level. Resell 0.65183 or 82, and that's gonna be it actually. However, the signal for the AUDUSD also remains the same. That level of a resistance seems to be holding the position and quite strong. So that's everything for the AUDUSD. Let's now move to the USDCAD. Alright guys, the USDCAD signal has also worked very well. Let's see now what we can do next with the USDCAD. Actually, it's running so far in about 50 pips of profit. Guys, you are not giving it to me, guys. Come on, show me something in the comments. Show me something in the likes. Anyway, what we can do next with the USDCAD, guys, is actually continue buying this pair. Let me just now show you what we can do with the magic of trend lines. Actually, that's a strategy on my channel called the magic of trend lines. All you need to do is simply draw the support trend line from this lower low to this higher low, and just simply place it right here, right on the nearest support trend line. And as we can see right here, guys, there is the nearest support trend line, which has already become a resistance trend line number 1, resistance trend line number 2, and in the middle the fake breakout. Therefore, we can actually expect to start buying the USDCAD right here on the second attempt, actually the first attempt of a support trend line, right after this fake breakout happened right here. That being said, let's just look at the left side to find the nearest strong key support level. Indeed, there you go. That's exactly the nearest strong key support level to our entry, which is going to be at 1.36220. That being said, we can actually rebuy again, rebuy the USDCAD right on 1.36220. And of course, for the take profit level, it's just going to remain the same, meaning we can actually still expect to make about 60 pips profit from this signal, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging much lower than the original entry, and it's really again up to you how to handle this. So anyway, that's everything for the USDCAD. Let's now move to the USDJPY. Alright, so unfortunately USDJPY signal has, I don't want to say it failed because it's still ranging inside of the safe zone, but eventually USDJPY was running in total of 77 pips before reverses upon the pressure from the level of a resistance right here at 140.928. That means that most likely, and let's just now delete the old signal, that means that most likely the USDJPY is gonna continue the fall. Let's now take a look at the weekly chart. The weekly chart shows us that there seems to be a very promising level of a previous support at 138.430, which means the USDJPY is going to continue the fall till it reach that level of a support. That level, guys, is going to be good to start buying the USDJPY because the market has indeed made here the bullish breakout from that long-term structure and the resistance of 138.430. But that's going to happen after the market falls for another 133 pips. That being said, we will actually continue selling the USDJPY till it reach that level of a previous resistance right here, and after that maybe we can send a buy signal, depends of course on the price action. So moving now to the 1 hour time frame, where exactly we can start selling the USDJPY. Let's draw here the Fibonacci retracement, and as we can see 38.2 is actually a trusted level. The market so far is actually unable to break out from 50 retracement, but eventually with these attempts I believe that the USDJPY is gonna make another attempt to the same level of a resistance, because right here we're having a resistance number 1. So therefore let's just wait for the market to reach the second attempt of the resistance, which was in the past also a strong real level of a resistance. That's gonna be the trusted level to start selling the USDJPY after it rises for another 31 pips. That being said, let's just sell the USDJPY exactly from that level, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than this level of previous resistance at 140.960. That means the safe zone ranging for about 63 pips against 136 pips of profit. Moving now to the USDCHF, which was really fantastic and beautiful, wonderful, amazing signal. Guys, this signal has really worked. As I said earlier, the USDCHF signal remained the same from the last week's video, and as you can see, it's running so far in 63 pips. Again, please let me know in the comments what do you think of this signal and if you have made any profits with it. Anyway, what can we expect next with the USDCHF? Believe it or not, the signal almost remained the same, but not clearly, not exactly, I mean. Let me just tell you, that level of a support trend line, guys, is still gonna be respected, exactly just like that. Therefore, we can actually expect from the USDCHF to make a pullback upon the pressure from the current resistance right here at 0.90849. It might actually make a pullback, and then we can actually start buying the USDCHF again right there on the second attempt of the support. Keep in mind that we're having here a broken level of the resistance, which was of course a real attempt of the resistance, and right there these 3 candles here represents the first attempt of the support. Therefore, rebuying the USDCHF right here on the second attempt of the support is gonna be the wise decision. That being said, let's wait for the USDCHF to fall for another 25 pips before we can start buying it. But now the take profit level is gonna be changed. First of all, let me just delete this signal. Let me just actually edit this one to be right there, to be right here. This one's gonna be here, and this is gonna be there, and this is gonna be changed to 0.90561, which is gonna be the new level for the buy. And the take profit level, let's now move to the daily chart to identify where exactly we can keep buying the USDCHF till this level of a resistance, exactly right there. at Fibonacci 61.8, which means our take profit level might actually be 137 pips. Hopefully gonna be in a good profit. Let me just change the take profit level also to be 0.91971, and the safe zone, of course, which is gonna remain the same for almost 42 pips. That's everything for the USDCHF. Let's now move to the gold. Alright, so actually guys, I will be honest with you. Yesterday night I was about to make the midweek analysis video, and I was going to send you the signal to buy the gold exactly from that level of a previous support right here, because the gold, actually the gold signal, it seems like it's not gonna respect the sell level right now. Yes, the gold is ranging inside of the safe zone, but the current price action with that very strong bullish engulfing candle, it seems like the gold is gonna continue the rise. I was going to send you the signal to start buying the gold exactly from that level, and as you can see, the signal has already activated. Therefore, I cannot really send it right now. The problem here is, yesterday guys, it was not really clear for me how the market is gonna move. I was really confused about the EURUSD and the GBPUSD mainly, and I wasn't sure what to send about them until today, after seeing the final price action has appeared and the fake breakout happened right here from that level of a resistance. Now I can be sure that the EURUSD and the GBPUSD are gonna be going as I'm expecting. However, what we can expect next with the gold, let me just be sure that I have to delete first of all the all signal, and let's just get rid of the take profit level, because if I'm not mistaken, and hopefully I'm not, right now we are looking for a correction on the market, which means that level of a support is most likely guys gonna be respected again, and the gold might actually continue the rise till it reach the level of a resistance right there at 1982.97. So moving now to the 4-hour time frame, let's take a look at the left side, and we can see that this was indeed the real level, or actually the lowest level of a real support, exactly at 1950. So that being said, we can actually start buying the gold exactly on that level of a previous support, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than this level of a previous fake breakout at 1932.30. Now, let me just tell you something else. We need to confirm this entry using the Fibonacci, and if I'm not mistaken, exactly, it's almost right there at 23.6, and if I just connect the Fibonacci to the real level of the support instead of the fake breakout, we can see that the buy level has been placed exactly on 23.6. So meaning we have to wait for the gold to fall for another 100 pips before we can start buying it, which means our target is gonna be 326 pips, and the safe zone ranging for almost 180 pips. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the gold and for the remaining pairs of the USD for the remaining days also of this week. Again guys, please be careful about these signals. I'm sure that we have done very well with the signals this week so far, especially the Euro AUD. I'm so happy about the signal. This is the third time I'm saying it. But again guys, just because these signals came from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that they will be 100% profitable. There is always a possibility that these signals might actually go in the bad direction, in the wrong direction. Also keep in mind that tomorrow, Thursday, we will be having the ISM PMIs for the USD pairs. So be careful to watch these trades and make sure that you should close your trades before the news hit the market. Also on Friday, we will be having the unemployment rate news and the non-farm payrolls. So be careful guys for the remaining days. This was Salah Isam, and I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.